Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the TikTok application or website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the TikTok app or use your web browser and then type in tiktok.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official TikTok website. Now, right from the homepage, if you haven't already logged in, you will still be able to change your password. Just tap on the login button to use your email address or your username, and you will be asked to enter your phone number. Tap on login with email or username if you wish to use these ones, and then enter your credentials. After typing in the email address or the phone number that you used to sign up, go ahead and tap on forgot password. You will then be asked to enter your email address once again or your phone number. After typing it, click on the send code button, and this will send a code onto your phone or your email address, whichever you used, right away. So just check your inbox or your phone SMS and you will find this 6-digit code. Just type in your 6-digit code within the box, and then underneath you will find your password box. Just type in your password that you want to set within your account and then click on the reset button. And as soon as you tap on this button, your password will be changed and you will be able to use this new password along with your original login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.